Hello my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. Hope you have an amazing day. Happy Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed Sunday's self-portrait. I thought it turned out kind of cute. My hair ain't that wild and windy, but I thought it was kind of cute. It is a base to something, gives you an idea of how to do something different with the Dutch pour, because the Dutch pours, I love doing them. But I found I was getting bored with them because it's the same thing, different colors, right? So this is something different. Now, I totally forgot. I have fake eyelashes I bought at the dollar store. Fake eyelashes would go awesome on there. I just tried to find them, but I can't find them. But dollar store, Dollar Tree sells them. I think I got 4 in a pack for, I think they were $1.25, something like that. So that's another option, guys, to put fake eyelashes on them. I'm not sure. Oh, I think my other girl does. But anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So today, we're going to do another Dutch pour. We're going to do a version of Molly's, from Marley's Artistry, sorry, her wave. Now, I'm in love with this one. I put glitter in here. It's Sherry. I painted the background first and I just poured on here. So I didn't do a base coat with this one. I will link the video to this one, and I'll link the other video I have of doing the same idea. My amazing friend Sandra that bought me the Drew Barrymore blow dryer also found me huge. I've got this massive, it's probably 3 foot round. I think it's 48 inches. I did a video, anyways, 48-inch round, because my intent was to do one of these on it, and I haven't done that. So with that, my friends, I'm going to do, it's springtime here, and like, I don't know, because in Canada, we have definite 4 seasons. Our stores go through changes. They bring out seasonal things. So unlike if you lived in Florida or were somewhere even over in Europe where it's nice all of the time, we don't get these summer things. So you know what's back out is the food tents. Sorry, I got a little fuzz on there. The food tents. This is what I cover my paintings in. This is what I cover my even my resin art. I put this over top of them. So I found another one, and they're cheaper to buy at the dollar store, guys. They're $4 for this huge. This one is 72 centimeters by 94 centimeters. So this is a really good one. And then I had to share these little, they had these, would be awesome in coasters or trays or anything. They're wooden, what are they called? Wooden embellishments. And they're $4. Like, look at all the little wee things that you get in there. Amazing. So Sherry being Sherry, I bought 2. Now I have to use them. Anyways, I'm gonna get myself together. I'm going to bring you down. We're gonna prep our canvas and we're gonna get right into this Dutch pour. Today, actually, also, I'm doing a whole bunch of videos today. I got a phone call yesterday. I'm getting my hand surgery on Friday. Today's Wednesday. So I gotta get my butt in gear and get a couple videos so you guys aren't missing me, if that's possible. So anyways, I'm gonna bring you on down and I'll be right back, guys. Hello, we are back. I am getting myself prepped, but I wanted to just do one little thing. I have to answer a question. Somebody commented that they had this blow dryer, they didn't like it because it kept tripping on them. So I just wanted to, I don't know, it comes, I don't see very many blow dryers that come with a trip switch. So just be mindful when you're doing it. I don't know if this is what the issue might be, like you're accidentally hitting the reset button, or, you know, I don't know, but you have to make sure that that red button is pushed in. let me get the yellow button. So now it's going to make a liar out of me because you are on videotaping. There we go. So just have to be mindful with these. So I don't know if that could be part of the issue. So, but I do like this a lot. So anyways, these are the colors I've chosen. Might be too many, but it is what it is. We're going to do the Grumbracher's Thalo Blue. We will do Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. We will do, Pebeo has a little bit of a leak. Pebeo Studios Iridescent Blue Green. That little bit of a shimmer. We will have the Loft Cerulean Blue hue with Iridescent Medium. I have Modern Masters Metallic Venetian Blue. And for the white, we're going to throw in, this one is FolkArt Color Shift White Flash. I don't know what it'll do, but we'll see. I have my canvas prepped. I didn't tape it, but I have it push pinned. I find the oval ones are kind of hard sometimes. If you take your time, you can do them properly. I have a little stir stick just down because I found on this leg it was a little uneven. And then you want to make sure it's level, because when you do the Dutch pour, you do not want it to be not level. And the canvas I'm using is, I got this one from the dollar store. I of course ripped it in half. I paid $7 for it. This is a 12 by 16 inch oval canvas. And I have my Dutch pour mix. This is the white, and it is the Dale and Rowney. I got this one from Walmart. And yeah, so we're just going to get right into it. So I'm just going to base coat this. Whoops. Probably should have just took the lid off and poured it. Woo. Just going to get the edges while we're going. I am going to just give it a little blow dry. I don't mind blow drying it. There we go. That was on high. Woohoo! Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit more. And then I'm going to give it a torch. You want a torch because you see all these little bit of bubbles. If you leave that, when you do your final product, you'll have little pinholes in your paint. I just use a kitchen torch. I got this one off of Amazon. Get that little bit of color that's there. Oh, I guess I'm going to put that string right in there. Zip up my zipper so I don't get the string in my work. Now you want to make sure your edges, and when you use these round or oval canvases, you've got all of these creases. So you want to make sure that all of those creases have paint in it. Perfect. Now let the fun begin, my friends. Just keep getting these little, well, like I said, I'm in my basement and there's dust galore down here, so Perfect. All right. So with this, and I haven't done this since I've done those, so this is crazy, guys. So I'm just going to lay my colors like this, and then we're going to blow, okay? So let's get the dark. This one is the Grumbracher's Thalo Blue. We will do, that one's not, oh, sorry. This one is the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Whoa, that kind of come out real good there. We will do the Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. Oh my goodness, Sherry. Then I'm going to add this Color Shift White Flash. And then we're going to add the Modern Masters Metallic Venetian. And the Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue for that beautiful little bit of shimmer in there. And then I'm going to just do a hint. I just want a line of a little bit of white. Here we go. Now I'm going to give that all a torch. And I see some more things. Oh my goodness, guys. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come on this side and give just a squirt around where I'm going to blow. One more quick torch of the white. And wish me luck. Like I said, I have not done this, guys. You get all my experiments, and I have fun with that. All right. Our little blow dryer goes on low, which is, I have so much control, which is crazy. Here we go. You really need more of a round, well, I guess the other one's on a square, but very cool. Now I wanted to, that looks like a, it looks like a snaily thing with those two antennas. I'm going to try to bring this out because I don't like that. Don't like that. I'm wondering, no, I'm going to leave it. I was trying to get like a definite dip in here. Let me do this. I might regret this. And then I'm going to use my hose. Okay. kind of more what I was looking for. I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to goof it up, because I love the cells that are in here. The colors are crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna leave. I don't know if I like that or not. I'm tempted to just take that, yeah, take that right out. Don't want to scrape because I don't want to lose all the white paint that I have as well. Yeah, we're going to leave it at that because I'm not going to play. I find sometimes when you play too much, it ends up, I don't know, just, it goes muddy, and yeah. So we're going to leave it at that. I'm going to give maybe just a little torch in here. I love the cells. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you down. And just another little tip before I go. Come along. Every 10 minutes. There we go. As I was saying, come along. Give a scrape. Use your finger or whatever. And that way it stops all of the paint from pulling off of the top, which is good. All right. Now my hand, let me get my hand clean. God, sorry guys. So there we go. I'll give you a quick little close-up. I think it turned out cute. And now I do really like the idea with the sunset and all of that. And I just hit my finger here. I'm just gonna give that a little bit of a touch up here. Look at that. You would have never known. Never known. There we go. Love the cells. Like the color among the color. It's kind of very cool. So with that, my amazing people, I hope you enjoyed today's short and sweet video on a Dutch pour wave, sort of. I think it turned out kind of cute. So with that, I hope you give the video a thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications, and if you have not yet subscribed, please think about subscribing. And in the description box, I have the links to everything I used here today, and I also have the links to Fundy Mold, where to purchase with a discount code. I also have where to purchase TriArt liquid glass. I also have the links to where to purchase Krystal Resin. I also have the links to Let's Resin with a discount code, Sherry M10, capital S, capital M. I also have the links to where to purchase the Rez and a discount code. Two amazing distributors, Michelle from Artworks Resin Canada. Go check out her site. Use the discount code Sherry Moulton 10, capital S, capital M. And the amazing Laura from Laura's Art Corner, my glitter guru. My American Rez distributor, and my discount code for Laura is all capital letters Sherry Moulton 10. I have the links to my Amazon shops, which I'm an affiliate with. And if you choose to donate, I have my PayPal link in there. Help my crafting addiction. And with that, my amazing peeps, I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.